Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 6, exercise 6A, book D3. Applications of mathematics in practical situations. Question number 1. First you read the statement. A gold chain is sold for $6.35 at a gain of 27% on the sale price. Find the profit. Okay, first of all you have to write the data. For example, that is you have a sale price is equal to $6.35 and gain percentage 27%. Profit we have to calculate. Suppose that cost price is equal to $X, because often we suppose that cost price is $X, so it should be noted that when you take the supposition, so cost price often we take as X. So by given conditions, so that is X plus 27X by 100, because 27% means 27 by 100 is equal to $635. So by taking LCM, by further simplification, by using cross multiplication, this 100 multiplied with this, so 100x, it will give you 127x, but you need the value of x, that is 63500 divided by 127, so the value of x is $500. So it means we have to find the profit. How we can calculate the profit? So here it should be noted here, for profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. So sale price is 635 minus cost price is just you have calculated, that is $500, so you should subtract it 500, so you will get $135. so that is your result. So $135 is your required result. Now coming to the question number 2. By selling a book for $16.50, a bookseller loses 12% on cost. What is the cost price of the book? So what is the cost price of the book? So once again, by the same methodology, that is you have to write the data, that is 16.50, that is your sale price, so loss percentage is 12%. Cost price we have to find. Suppose cost price is equal to $X, so by given condition, x minus 12x, because it is a loss, so percentage divided by 100 to remove the percentage, so that is your given condition. So once again, by taking LCM, that is your 100x, 12x is equal to 16.50. so by using cross multiplication, you will get 88x, and 100 multiplied by this one, so you will get, so you need the value of x divided by 88, so the value of x is $18.75. so that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 3. Peter bought an antique chest for $600 and was forced to sell for $500 find the loss as a percentage of the cost price. Okay. Question number 3. Suppose cost price is given, that is $600, and sale price is 500, and loss percentage we have to find. Since we have a formula, that is loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price. So putting the values, cost price is 600, so you will get the loss percent, that is 20 will cancel with this one, so you will get 100 divided by 6, so you will get $16.66 is your loss percent. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 4. Question number 4. If Suzanne sells her car at a loss of 6% on the cost, what is her selling price when she paid $18,400 for it? Okay, so once again, the loss percent, it is given that loss percent is equal to 6%. Sale price is equal to, we have to find cost price is $18,400. So since we have a formula, that is loss percentage is equal to loss multiplied by 100 divided by cost price. So putting the values, loss percent is 6, loss divided by, because we have to find 18,400 multiplied by 100. So after cross multiplication, you will get, you need the value of loss, so using cross multiplication, 6 multiplied by 18400 divided by 100, 20 will be cancelled with this one, so the loss is approximately 11,004. So actually we have to find the sale price. Okay, loss is necessary to find sale price, because we have a formula, as since we have a formula, you see here, since we have a formula, that is loss, that is sale price is equal to, for example, we have a formula, that is sale price is equal to cost price minus loss. So we have calculated the loss, so to find the sale price, cost price we have already have, that is 18,400 minus loss is just we have calculated, that is 1104. Now the sale price will be 17296 by using calculator. So that is your result. So this one is the amount in dollars, so that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 5. Question number 5. To make a profit of 13 whole 1 by 3% on cost, a bicycle must be sold for $240. What is the cost price of the bicycle? Okay, first of all, cost price we have to find. Sale price is $240. Profit is 13 whole 1 by 3%, which means that 100 divided by 3 by simplification, that is your simplified result. Now suppose cost price of bicycle is equal to $X, suppose. So by given condition, if we read the statement carefully, then we have come to this conclusion that the value of bicycle can be calculated by this, because we have to remove the percentage. So 100 by 3% mean that is 100 by 3x, then divided by 100, because we have to remove the percentage sign. So by simplification you will get x plus 100x by 300 is equal to 240. By taking LCM, that is 300 is LCM. By using cross multiplication, you will get that is 400x by 300, 240. By using cross multiplication you will get you will get you need the value of x, so you have to divide. For example, this 400 can be divided 240 multiplied by 300, so write it clearly to avoid any confusion, divided by 400. So by simplification you will get the value of x, that is $180. So that is the result. Now coming to the question number 6. The profit on a certain refrigerator is 35% of the cost price. If the profit is $280, find the cost price and B, selling price of the refrigerator. Okay. Question number 6, you can see profit percentage is equal to 35%. So only profit is, that is $280. In A part we have to find the cost price. So cost price in A part we have to find sign of interrogation. So since we have a formula, that is profit percentage, so profit, this formula should be memorized, by cost prices multiplied by 100. So putting the values, 35% is your profit is 280 divided by cost price multiplied by 100. You need the value of cost price using cross multiplication, so cost price will be equal to 280 by 35 multiplied by 100. So of the simplification you will get dollar, that is 800. So 800 is your required result in A part. But now we have to find in B part. Now coming to the B part. In B part we have to find the sale price. Okay, since we have a formula, that is profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. So 280 is your profit, sale price we have to find, and cost price is 800. So shift here to 80 plus 800. So sale price will be 1080, your sale price, that is in dollars. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 7. In question number 7, a man buys a dozen cameras for $1,800. He sells them at a profit of $36 each. Find its profit as a percentage of the selling price. Okay, first of all, cost price is equal to $1,800 for dozen, and profit is $36 for each. So 36 multiplied by 12, we have to calculate for dozen, that is, so you will get 432. Since profit percentage, we have a formula, that is profit percentage is equal to profit multiplied by 100 divided by cost price. So 36, cost price is 1800. So you will get the profit percentage, that is equal to by using this cancellation law. So you will get $2. So 2 is your profit percentage. So profit percentage for dozen, this is for 1, so you have to calculate for dozen. So you can see here, therefore profit percentage for dozen, that is equal to 12. Number lies in 1 dozen, so it means multiply by 2, so you will get 24% is your required result. Now coming to the question number 8. In question number 8, florist bought 360 roses, $8.10 per dozen. If he sold them $8, 1.10 each, what is his profit as a percentage of the selling price? Selling price, first of all you have to write the data, that is we need the profit percentage. Okay, we have to find this. Then sale price is $1.10, which is equal to 1.10 multiplied by 360, that is equal to $3.96. So cost price, that is $10 for dozen. So it is given to us, so that's why, so 10 multiplied by 30, you will get 300 for 30 dozen, that is for 30 dozen. So this is the cost price for 30. So now because why I have multiplied with 360, because for 360 roses, because when I multiplied here 30, because for 30 dozen, here 360 multiplied by 1.10, because it is given in your textbook, that is for 360 roses. So that's why I have multiplied here. Now since we have a formula, that is profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price. So profit 96, cost price is 396 multiplied by 100. So after simplification you will get 24.2% is your profit percentage, that is your required result. Actually I have used the 96 here, so I would like to clear the concept of 96 here, because how can I get the 96? Because in data you don't see the 96, because you must see here, that is profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. You see here, profit is equal to sale price minus cost price, it should be noted. So that's why sale price is 396 and cost price is 300. So when I subtract this, I have got 96. So this 96 has been utilized here, because this is my profit, so I have to use here in this, and I put here. So I use a simple formula, that is profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. So in this way we are able to find the exact solution. So coming to the question number 9, Mr. Now coming to the question number 9, Question number 9. Read the statement. Mr. Lin buys an article and sells it to Mr. Chin at a gain of 25% on cost. Mr. Chin sells the article to Mr. Ang at a gain of 20% on cost. How much money did Mr. Lin pay for the article if Mr. Ang pays $360 for it? Okay, first of all, write the data. Suppose I have already told you that the cost price often we take as a supposition, because suppose cost price is equal to $X. So by given condition, if we read the statement carefully, then for Mr. Lin, what is the given condition? For Mr. Lin is, that is 25%. That is the given condition. So taking X as a common, so therefore 25 divided by 100, you will get 0.25, and after simplification 1.25x. So that is the given condition for Mr. Lin. Now for Mr. Chin. So for Mr. Chin, the given condition is 1.25x plus 20% further he gains. So that's why that is your result, that is multiplied by 1.25x, 20% of this, Mr. Chin taking 20% of Mr. Lin's. So that's why, so that is the given condition for Mr. Chin. So by simplification, you will get 0.25x. So taking x as a common, 1.25 plus 0.25. So 1.50x is for Mr. Chin. Now for Mr. Ang is, so for Mr. Ang, the given condition will be for Mr. Ang 1.50x is equal to, he pays $360. So the value of x will be 360 divided by 1.50. So the value of x is 240. So that is your cost price, which we have supposed that we have to calculate this. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 10. Question number 10. A shopkeeper buys 300 identical articles at a total cost of $1,500. He fixes the selling price of each article at 20% above the cost price and sells 260 articles at this price. As for the remaining articles, he sells them at 50% of the selling price. Calculate the shopkeeper's total profit. Okay, how much total articles? First of all, you see here total articles. Write down the given data, that is total articles is equal to total article is 300 and total cost price is equal to $1,500 for 260 articles. That is 20% above cost price he pays. Now for 40 articles, he pays 50% of sale price. So total profit we have to find, as cost price of each article is equal to 1,500 divided by 300. So that is equal to 5. So cost price of each article is 5. So for 260 articles, CP plus profit is equal to sale price. So putting the values, cost price is 5, just we have calculated, profit is 20% multiplied by 5 for each article, that is your sale price. So after simplification you will get that is 6 is equal to your sale price. So we need the sale price for 260, that is 260 multiplied by 6. So you will get $1,560. So that is your required result in this case. But for 40 articles, it should be noted that still we have to find the for 40 articles, that is 50% of 6, that is 50% of sale price is equal to, that is your sale price. So sale price 50% of 6 means 3. So multiplied for 40 articles, because we are calculating for 40 articles, therefore sale price for 40 is 3 multiplied by 40. You will get $120 is equal to your sale price. So that is your required result in this situation. But still we have to find the total sale price. 120 is the sale price, but we have already considered that 1560 is also sale price for 260 articles. So that's why we have to add both the values. For example, if we need the total sale price will be equal to for 60 articles, that is 1560, plus for 40 articles, that is $120. So add it, you will get $1,680. So that is your exact result. So similarly for total profit, that is profit, we have this and actually we have 1500, so it should be minus to get the real profit. So minus 500, so you will get 180 is your dollar result. So that is your total profit, is your required also result. So okay, now coming to the last question of this exercise, question number 11. In question number 11, we have read the statement carefully, that is Simon ordered 200 boxes of Fuji apples from China. He paid $28 per box for the apples. There were 60 fruits in each box and he expected 15% of them to spoil. If he wants to make a profit of 80% on cost, what should be the selling price per fruit? Per fruit we have to calculate selling price. So first of all, you have to write the cost price of 200 boxes. For example, when we read the statement, so we have come to this conclusion that cost price of 200 boxes, that is equal to 200 multiplied by 28. So you will get $5,600. So for 200 boxes. So total number of apples will be total number of apples is equal to, so 200 boxes multiplied by, in each box there is 60, so you will get 12,000 number of apples. So number of spoiled fruits, so total number of spoiled fruits is equal to, that is 15%. It is given to us of 12,000. So we have to calculate for 12,000, that is 15%, So that is 100 multiplied by 12,000, you will get the result, that is 1800, is 1800. So now number of good fruits, because it is spoiled fruit, so total number of good fruits, so number of good fruits is equal to, that is 12,000 is spoiled minus good one is 1800, so you will get 10,200 is your good fruit. So profit needed, that is, it should be noted that how much profit needed. Now you see here, profit needed that is 80% off, 80% off, 80% of 1,600, so that will be equal to 80 divided by 100 multiplied by 5,600, so your result is will be, after simplification, so you will get dollar 4480, so $4,480. So selling price of fruit will be, so selling price of fruit, that is equal to 5,600 plus 4,480, so you will get exact dollar, that is 10080 with the help of calculator. So selling price of each apple, that is 100, just we have calculated, divided by 10200, so you will get dollar 0.99 or 99 cent, or you can say that 99 cent. So that is your required result. So my dear students, we have completed exercise 6A, book D3. I hope that it will be much helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.